Hey beautiful people, and welcome to Makeover's space. And today nataka tu kufanya usafi since I just moved, like I said in the last vlog. And ndo naanza kupanga my bed, bado ijafika, you know, the kawaida thing ya fundis. They promise you something, yet it takes a lifetime to get to where you are. So sai ni kausafi kidogo, mazoezi kidogo, food here and there, and hope tutakuwa poa. Yani clean up video, more of clean up video. So join me as we do usafi, and I'll show you guys a product, yeah, that I've been using and I've been loving it since it's called Clorox. Ni ya Total. I think it's, you can connect a picture. Let me show you a picture here. Let me take it from my bathroom. Here. This one. This product, naona imeandikwa Clorox. You see, yeah? I hope inaonekana poa. Ni ya Total. This one is a gel, and it's good for white surfaces like loo ama stain. Ikiwa si ati na advertise, but I felt like I love it. Carpet yangu has some white patches, and hii ndo natumianga. Naambianga kwa car wash, please mupake kwanza before msugue, at least ndo maintain the milky white, si ndio? So I wanted to hook you up with this. I will try this and you tell me, yeah? Mpaka kwa white stuff, matisho, manini. I will try it and you tell me. Hii imeshinda jiki, na si ati napigia jiki nini, but it's the best. I thought I should tell you. Kwanza kwa choo na tiles za bafu, my friend, you will love it. In fact, you hate to love it. So tuanze usafi here and there. Clorox. So guys, welcome. I want to change to put on duvet cover on this duvet, and you can see my Kajunia here. She's my helper. She's the one helping me do the chores, yeah. And I'm putting this because with this one inachafuka haraka. You can see that my kids are playing all over the duvet. It's a two-sided one. The other side it's white. So kupata uchafu ni haraka sana since hawa wanachezea. But with this one unachanging too easy, and it's way easier than kufua duvet. This one it's easier. Unaweza fua any day, anytime. Yeah? So tuweke ndani. Tunafanya usafi kidogo, bado hatujapanga. You can see bado have not changed the curtain since they have not removed the curtain box. And I cannot work with it like that. Manze haipendezi. Yeah, it's not. See hata leo you can see, yeah? It's not appealing. So finally, that's one. And for those who might be inquiring on where I got the duvet covers and also the duvets from Isli, day to day, they have a discount. They offer you discount of a percentage, and they've got quality stuffs, very quality affordable stuffs. Ni ile tu utataka kuchagua, then so you get according to your taste. Yeah. So this is where I got it from. Msijali. It's a bit of hassle to put the cover, but finally you can see at least imeingiana for this. And it comes with a bed sheet, one bed sheet, and 4 pillowcase, and then the duvet cover. Yeah. That's why I put my daughter's toys for the meantime. I think I should find those boxes where you put the toys. Yeah. So after they finish playing, I suggest they put them for your box, at least ndo isikae scattered. So don't wonder ati your box ni nini. For the meantime, so you still use what you have, yeah? Hautaanza kusema ati because you don't have a box, hauta organize your room, si ndio? So nikinunua maziwa, the box wanaweka toys and some other stuff, si ndio? So I'm done with that. Now I want to clean. So now I want to clean up, and nimeweka kadauni kale ka blue kwa maji for the room to smell heavenly, romantic, and kila kitu sawa. So I'm done with this room. Now let's move to my daughter's bedroom. Today she forgot to arrange her room. She was in a hurry, like I think ilichelewa kuamka maybe. So on to the next bedroom. This is the next room. 20 years remain. And then guys, how do you work with this curtain box? How do you put like, but I think I'll tell the guy to come and remove this. Yesterday I tried to put the curtain, but they cannot surpass the, you see the groove that is there, they're not passing through that. So I'm like, like that for the meantime, but I want the guy to come. I'm waiting for him to come and remove this curtain box. You try to arrange the room, you try to tidy up, but I let it shower, so what's your best? Kwa nini sifungui curtain mpaka watoe hizo curtain box, then I tafuta a rod or something presentable. Because this curtain boxes they are giving. So and we have done with that kazi. Haikuwa na kazi mingi leo. So I'm done with that. And the next room now we are finishing up with the living room. So situated the living room. Hapa ndio mambo iko. Hapa ndo kazi iko. Nini hiyo? Si samaki? Nitoe kiti. Hey guys, finally they have come, and as you can see they are making my curtain rods. At least curtain itaacha kukua kama ya crusade. Hey, yeah, I'm happy for that. For the bedroom part, I'll think of that. With time, I'll call them again. For now, I'm under the budget, so I'll show you the end results after they have made they are putting the curtain rods. So guys, the curtain wameweka, and you can see how beautiful it looks. Yeah, wameniekea rods. At least hii haikai ya crusade. So now I'm left with the bedroom curtains. They will come and make it for me, and at least wamefanya kazi safi, ndio inakaa presentable saa hii. Yeah? Now all I have to do is clean up this mess. Unaona, this is hiyo mawe yenye imetoka imevunjika. I have to clean up. You see my seat. But that's not a big deal. I'll just clean up right away. The good thing is wameniekea, and you can see if I do like this, it's moving. Even though I'm not supposed to I'm supposed to hold it like somewhere hapa hivi, nikashikilia hapo kando, yeah, ikae presentable, yeah, for the lighting. And the chair is back there. So let me clean up here and tuendelee. This is the final look of the house. Yeah, it looks a bit clean and organized. Yeah. So, well, this video it has been long. Sasa ndo tunataka kupeana lunch na aka kamundozi unaona hapo aka tunakapatia lunch. So thanks for being with me, and see you next. Na consider kununua hiyo Clorox, you try, and then utaniambia hapo kwa comment section how it worked, and I promise you it will be the best thing you'll be having on your cleaning supplements. So see you and love you all.